Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss differences between sha and blood stasis. Gua sha is a safe and effective way of expelling toxin. Sha is a toxin, with sha brought about by scraping stasis in the vital energy and blood in main and collateral channels can be expelled, eradicating toxin in all parts of the body. What is sha? It is a term unique to Chinese medicine referring to the stasis in the vital energy and blood in main and collateral channels. In clinical practice, SHA stands for red and purplish red freckles and spots on the skin of the patient brought about by the specially made scraping plate. SHA is also called SHA mark. SHA is a toxin. It can be said that SHA is the blood stasis and the pathological product separated from microcirculation. If not expelled timely, it will block the circulation of vital energy and blood, and the exchange between nutrients and metabolites, leading to diseases in human tissues and inner organs. Therefore, according to Chinese medicine, all kinds of diseases can result in shock. The harmful toxin leads to many kinds of diseases while speeding up aging. So, in essence, Sha itself is the toxin in the human body. Consequently, it is also commonly called toxic shock. Under general circumstances, shock brought about by the scraper will gradually disappear in 3 to 5 days, or no more than a week. Sha, as the toxin expelled from the human body, also reflects the state of diseases in the human body. The location of Sha reflects the nature of the disease. The location of Sha reflects the location of the disease. Sha is apt to appear along the route of main and collateral channels or on the areas of acupoints, suggesting the pathological changes of the functions of inner corresponding channels. For instance, if Sha freckles or purple Sha marks appear at the Shinshu point, when the bladder meridian on the back is scraped evenly, it indicates that there are abnormal changes in heart functions. Therefore, scraping should be applied as early as possible for health care. The appearance of Sha reflects the severity of the disease. Different appearances of Sha, that is, the form, color, tint, and the speed of Sha appearance, also reflect the extent of the disease concerned. Dispersed Sha in light color is equal to minor illnesses, which can be recovered easily. Extensive Sha in the form of spots and patches in purple blood lumps indicates serious illness, requiring scraping several times for recovery. Gua sha serves to expel toxin. According to Chinese medicine, Sha is the stasis of the vital energy and blood in main and collateral channels. The permeation of Sha leads to clear main and collateral channels, smooth circulation of vital energy and blood, eliminating diseases as a result. In fact, curing diseases by scraping can also be verified by modern medicine. The process of the scraping can lead to high hyperemia in partial tissues, stimulate the nerves of blood vessels, and large blood vessels, speed up the blood flow and the backflow of the lymph, reinforce the function of phagocytosis, and the force of transport, quickly expel the waste and toxin within the body, and provide tissues and cells with nutrition, purifying the blood, reducing the state of illness, and promoting recovery. However, gua sha is not directly expelling toxin from under the skin, but taking blood stasis attached to the wall of blood vessels out of the blood vessels and absorbing it into blood vessels again through the blood, and finally expelling the waste from urine via circulation all over the body. The skin looks unpleasing to the eye when Sha appears, but it will not harm the skin. Instead, it serves to invigorate blood circulation and remove blood stasis. strengthening the circulation of blood in the locations scraped and making skin appear healthier and finer. So there is no need to worry when Sha appears. Gua Sha is also a way to check up one's physical condition. With the scraping done, there is no Sha, but only ruddiness. Local heat and relaxed feeling. It means that the person concerned is healthy, requiring no further scraping so as not to irritate the skin. Many people can mistake Sha for blood stasis. Superficially, Sha looks like ordinary blood stasis. However, they are different and have very different influences on the human body. Please refer to the table as follows. The differences between Sha and a blood stasis. The color of the Sha will most likely be dark red or purplish red and even bluish black. For blood stasis, it's mostly bright red. The bleeding part of Sha would be a blood capillary, and the blood stasis would be various blood vessels. The bleeding point of Sha would be light, and the blood stasis would be heavy. The sense of pain in Sha without or with slight pain. In blood stasis, the pain tends to go beyond forbearance with movement restricted. The consequence of Sha is it can do away with swell and stasis and smooth main and collateral channels. With Sha dispelled, illness can be eased and even cured. In blood stasis, it harms surrounding tissues, resulting in pain or obstacle to the movement. Thank you for your attention.